Hey everyone, this is Raina with Firefly Web Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to embed a Honeybook contact form into Elementor. So Elementor it's no secret, it's one of my favorite WordPress builders just because of its customization options and just how easy it is to work with. I also use Honeybook in my business. And what Honeybook is it's a business management platform that's made for entrepreneurs, and it kind of simplifies the entire process from start to finish. And one of the things it does is it has a contact form that you can embed to your website so that when somebody contacts you, not only do you get an email, but they automatically get put into the pipeline where you can send them automated email messages, you can send them a scheduler. There's a bunch of different things. So anyways, if you aren't using Honeybook already, I highly recommend it. It has simplified my business process and I have been using it for years. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to Honeybook, and I have a number of contact forms. You can also create a new one if you'd like to. So I'm just going to click to create a new one and test contact form. Now, these are all the default settings for your test contact form. You have name, email, phone number. You can have them put in their project date, which is great. Like when I was a wedding photographer, that was essential information. And originally Honeybook was set up for wedding vendors, essentially. So a lot of the default stuff does have this, but I still use it as a web designer. And they have options specifically for that, as well as a number of other entrepreneurs. But anyways, now that I have all of this in here, I can easily remove things if I don't want them, all of that. I can go in and I can design them. I can pick colors based off of, my branding. I might want my button to be a different color. There we go. I can also choose different fonts to make it cohesive with my website. And once I do that, you can send your settings. You can have a default thank you message, or you can customize your own, which is really awesome. Okay. Now that I have all of this done and I have this contact form here, the one thing I want to make sure I do is push publish. Oh, it says a valid custom URL to successfully redirect. Oh, because I accidentally clicked that, publish. Okay, so now I have code right here. I'm going to click copy and I'm going to go over to my WordPress website where I can go to my test contact form page, and I'm going to edit that with Elementor. Now that I'm in here, I can add a container. And the next thing I need to do is add an HTML element. As you can see, I can just type that in there, bring this over, go ahead and paste this code in, and automatically whatever I had there is here. Then you can go ahead and style it however you want to. I'm going to add a little bit of padding here, just so it's a little bit prettier, a little more white space. And I'm also going to add a heading. Is my test contact form. I can put some text in there if I want to give people some ideas about what the contact form is. Maybe I just let them know to fill out this form for this, maybe something else for that. Anyways, once I'm done, I'm just going to click update. And then I can go over to preview the page. When I do, you can see the contact form is here. It's beautiful. I inspect it, it's automatically mobile responsive, which is great. So yeah, at this point, what I want to do is fill out this information and click send, and then confirm that 1, it goes into my pipeline where I want it to go, and 2, that if you have an email set up, that it shows up in my email. All right, well, that's it. If you have any questions about that, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I hope this was useful and that you have a great day.